Hello friend, now we are going to discuss about open window and close window in BOM. Okay, browser object model. Okay, now first of all we provide windows and after that dot open, and here we provide three parameters. These all parameters are optional. If you provide, it perform according to the parameter. If you are not providing, it will also fine, it work fine. Okay, now what is URL? You know the full form of URL is uniform resource locator, and we provide any URL. For example, we provide https, then colon, then backslash, then www.youtube.com, for example, youtube.com. okay, now after that we have name. You can provide any name, first window, last window, xyz, abc. Okay, now we can provide also these four parameters instead of name. First is blank. For example, this is our window where I provide a button, and here I provide target blank. It means it open another tab and open the URL, or it will create a new window also. And if we provide parent, it means it open the link in the current window. And self and top are the frame parameter. If you want to know self and top, please find the video link in the I button. I already discussed about these four parameters in detail in our HTML and CSS video series. Okay, now after that we specify the height, width, left and top. Height, width means the opening window height and width. But what is left and top? When we want to open our new frame at a particular position, for example, from here we have some here gap of 500, for example 500 pixel from top, and again we have 500 pixel from left, and it will open our new window open at here. This is called left and top margin, you can say. Okay, now we will see how we can practically implement this in our JavaScript. Okay, now we'll see how we can open and close a window with the help of a button. I just create a button here, and after that we provide a on click event, open window, and I just copy the name of this window. Okay, now here I just link our JavaScript with the help of script tag, and here we come and define the function open window, and after that we use window.open, and here we provide this. And now let's save, and we have to provide the text here between the tag, open new window. Now let's save. You can see the button. Now I just refresh, and when I click here, you can see a new and blank tab is open. Okay, when I here provide in URL, I provide https //www.youtube.com. now let's save, and I just cut this blank page, and when I click here, you can see YouTube is open. Okay, I just cut down, and after that we provide the name. For example, I provide new window. Now let's save. When I click, you can see nothing is reflected as new window. Now here if I provide here if I provide underscore blank and underscore blank, now let's save. When I click, it run as it is running before, because we by default it is blank. When I click, when I change this underscore parent, now let's save. When I click here, you can see YouTube is opening here. Okay, now I just leave it as it is by default, and after that we provide code, and here we provide width equals to 500 pixel, then comma, then height equals to 500 pixel. Now let's save. When I click, you can clearly see now it is opening in a new window. Okay, and you can see it is having 0 margin from left and 0 margin from top. Now let's provide left and right. Okay, now let's provide left and top. First of all, I provide left equals to 400 pixel, and then comma, top equals to 400 pixel. Now let's save. When I click, you can see it is opening from here 400 and here 400 pixel, and I decrease 400 to 300. You can see the change. Now let's save, or I just cut this out and I just open. You can see now it is 300 and 300. Okay, after open window, now we are going to create close window button. For that, I just copy this and paste here, and here I just change close window, and after that I just change this open with close. Now here we have to provide the functionality. For that we have to use function, and after that we paste the name, and here we provide the curly bracket, and here we have to store this in a variable so that we can close the window. We use var my window. Okay, now I just use my window equals to this, and after that here in the function we use my window dot close, and after that round bracket and then semicolon. Now let's save, and here I provide 2 br tag for spacing purpose. Now let's save. You can see when I click here, YouTube is open. When I click here, you can see YouTube is closed. When I just remove the top and left, okay, I just remove the top and left here. Okay, now let's save. When I click, you can see it open here. When I click here, you can see Windows is closed. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.